In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files from Google Drive to Trello automatically. This can really streamline your workflow by integrating these two powerful productivity tools. We'll go step by step through the process. So whether you're tech savvy or just getting started, you'll be able to easily follow along. First things first, you'll want to have Trello open in your web browser. If you don't have an account, take a few moments to sign up. Once that's sorted, log in and navigate to your Trello board. From here, you'll see a menu option labeled Power-Ups at the top of the board. Give that a click, which will open up a whole suite of functionalities designed to enhance your Trello experience. In the search bar, type Google Drive and hit enter. When you find the Google Drive power-up, go ahead and click Add to make it available on your Trello board. Now let's connect your Google account to Trello. Simply open any card on your Trello board. You'll notice that Google Drive is now an option in the power-ups section of the card. Click on the Google Drive button, which will prompt you to sign in to your Google account. After signing in, you'll need to allow some permissions. These permissions are necessary for Trello to securely access your Google Drive files. Don't worry, this step is perfectly safe and you can always manage the permissions from your Google account settings later on. With that setup complete, you're now ready to attach your Google Drive files to Trello cards. Start by opening the card to which you want to add a file. With Google Drive already connected, you'll notice an option labeled Attach from Google Drive. Click this and it will open a window displaying your Google Drive's contents. Select the file or even an entire folder that you'd like to attach to your card. Once selected, click Attach or a similar confirmation button. This action directly links your chosen file or folder to the Trello card. You can revisit and open the file anytime as long as it's linked. And just like that, you have successfully set up an automatic link between Google Drive and Trello. This integration not only saves you time, but also ensures that you have your important documents at your fingertips whenever you need them within your Trello projects. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or managing personal tasks, this seamless connection allows for more efficient project management and document sharing. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that it helps to optimize your productivity. Remember, tech is there to make our lives easier, and by following these simple steps, you're harnessing the power of two great tools, Google Drive and Trello. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore other power-ups that Trello offers. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best in your productivity journey.